Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And today's video will be about adding two clip arts to make them look different. Use the one part of one clip art and the other part of the other clip art to... I had a customer just this morning I'm working with for this Black Panther, and I sent her the two clip arts, and she goes, well, I really like the legs in the back on this one, but I like the legs in the front on that one. I like the tail on that one and the head on this one. So what you can do in that situation, let's grab these two, make a duplicate of them, move them over here, left click, right click, doesn't really matter what color. Take you a 2-point line and just anywhere in between. And she likes the back legs on this one, so we're going to use the tail end and we're going to use the head end on this one. I just used the Smart Fill tool. Now the original cat on the right was a little bit thicker. That doesn't really matter. We'll go ahead and left click, right click in black this time, because the color really doesn't matter. It's just going to be engraved. And then you can move your nodes to wherever you wanted. As long as they're kind of inside that cat, take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. And in that short a time, you have the best of both worlds. I added a mouth, but that was irrelevant. Just take a node and add a node and just bring it in and play around with it till you think it's like a pouncing cat. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.